What's up my Ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here with an awesome case from the folks at Poetic. This is their neon military grade shockproof case here to be able to protect your phone but also have some style here as it's made out of two really high quality product materials. Before we jump into it, the folks at Poetic did sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out guys here to get yourself a good deal on a case. With that said, let's go ahead and unbox it here, show you how you can protect your iPhone 15 and have something that's sleek in the hand. The neon case here from the folks at Poetic I think is a really nice, reasonable case to be able to protect your phone. Obviously these phones are worth a lot and some are brittle. With that said here, you've got this really clean two-piece material. You've got a silicone that acts as the insulator on the inside, and then you got this hardened TPU material here to be able to grip and give it more form and structure. What I like here is that you have the ability to utilize a number of different colors. I opted into the black and orange. This is really cool here. With that said, coming up close, as you can see here, the material has polycarbonate and silicone in it. The silicone on the inside acts as an insulator. You can see that you've got these grooves here to be able to provide you that shockproof and military drop grade protection. Around the back side here is that hardened TPU material here, and then you've got a nice little bump, raised bump here for the camera bump, as well as ergonomic grip around the edges. Placing it in here is super straightforward. I opted into the yellow 15. We're just gonna go ahead and throw it in there. It just grabs right on the inside here, and you've got both of these materials that are kind of married together seamlessly. That looks really, really cool. In the hand here, I really like how this looks. Coming up close, as you can see, you got the two cameras that are protected with the camera bump. You've got the nice ergonomic and polycarbonate case here with the silicone around the edges. You got the bumpers here for the volume rocker, do not disturb, mute switch there. You got your power button here, which is nice and clicky, and then obviously the IO on the bottom side. I really like that. It just looks great. If you have a screen protector here, it's not going to impede on it. The front though is going to give you about 1/8 of an inch, so it's going to make it a little bit thicker. If that's something you're worried about, be cognizant of that. Otherwise, you have the option here to still use Qi charging, which is nice. I've got this 3-in-1 for your AirPods, your watch, and your case. It can just sit on your desk and charge with no problem. It doesn't necessarily stick anymore. If you wanted to have something a little more travel friendly, I've got this 5,000 milliamp Anker charging bank that just slaps on the back. Qi charges there at 5 milliamps, 5,000 milliamps, 5 watts. But it doesn't necessarily stick here. You can still utilize the plug here if that's something you're interested in. With that said, I think this is a high quality case here. It's very similar to the OtterBox. They've got the Symmetry case that is, much more unreasonably priced. This is very affordable, and I think it's something that should be definitely considered. With that said, my Ponios, thanks so much for watching. This is a sponsored video from the folks at Poetic. Get yourself a good deal down below, especially during the holidays. Check that out here, guys. It does help out the channel. Andy with Tech Influence here, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.